Here, you will learn all about the structure as well as the displays and controls of the Elli Charger 2, and you will also get an overview of its basic functions. The Elli Charger 2 consists of a housing with an attached cover framed by a decorative panel. The charging cable with Type 2 plug is fixed to the bottom of the charger. All information can be read from the LED display at the top of the front panel. On correct models, which comply with the calibration law for public use, there is an electricity meter at the bottom. The LED display of the Elli Charger 2 communicates a wide range of information. It indicates the status of the energy connection, the connected vehicle, and the wall box itself. After the first power-up, the wall box performs a self-test. The LED bar will alternate between red and white. After the self-test, the Elli Charger 2 will indicate that it needs to be configured with a pulsating blue LED. The white LED in the center of the panel indicates that the wall box is switched on and ready for operation. If no action is taken for 2 minutes, it automatically switches to standby mode. The wall box can be awakened from standby by any action, such as plugging the charger into a car. The car can now be charged in instant charging mode. When the battery of the car is fully charged, the LED bar will be fully lit. The LED display also indicates malfunctions of the house connection, the vehicle connection, or the charger itself. Refer to the user's guide for a complete list of displayable errors. The Elli Charger 2 has innovative features such as smart charging, over-the-air updates, and supports multiple communication protocols. The Pro models of the Elli Charger 2 also offer LTE connectivity. The smart charging features allow the electric car to charge when there is likely to be a lot of solar power in the grid, or when the home's own solar panels are generating a surplus. Combined with a dynamic energy tariff, charging is particularly cost-effective. These functions can be configured in the Elli Charging app. For more details on how to set them up, see the chapter on how to use the app. The OCPP interface is used to communicate with the back-end server of the app. Once the connection is established and an internet connection is configured, charging processes can be approved through the app. In addition to Ethernet and the wireless connection options Wi-Fi and LTE, other connection interfaces can be used. The Modbus standard connection is made via the RS485 interface, the eBus connection via an Ethernet cable. The Elli Charger 2 offers several charging authorization options. When set to instant charging, the Elli Charger 2 charges the vehicle without requiring further authorization. If RFID cards are registered in the app or directly in the approval list stored on the hardware, the charging process will only start when a card is held against the RFID symbol. In addition, the charging process can be enabled directly in the app or in the wallbox configuration. The Elli Charger 2 has a residual current detection function that detects deviations above 6 mA DC. Ensure that this safety feature is working properly before use. Firmware updates for the Elli Charger can be initiated over the air via the Elli Charging app. The wallbox configuration also displays available updates.